So the Carnival Ecstasy is no more. It's taken its final voyage and its future has been revealed. And its replacement is on its way as well. The Carnival Celebration is on its way. My name's Stuart. This is Ship to Shore Cruise News. Let's talk about it, shall we? So the Ecstasy recently had its last voyage. It was a big vlogging event in the cruising industry. It was very exciting to see everybody enjoy that last cruise. Those were great videos. I'm sure there's many people have many great memories of that ship. The Ecstasy, it was built in 1991 and it's the last of the Carnival's fantasy class ships. And it's currently heading to Turkey right now for recycling. We all know what that means. This was one of 8 fantasy class ships that launched Carnival into the big leagues of North American tourism. When it first started sailing, it was one of the biggest cruise ships in the world. It would carry 2,052 people based on double occupancy. This cruise ship also had very few balcony cabins. Most of them were ocean view with either a large picture window or a porthole. Nowadays, everybody seems to want balconies. I know I do. I enjoy them. And everybody has their favorite type of balcony as well. Now, when we compare that to the Mardi Gras, that can hold over 6,000 people when you have every pull-down bunk and sofa pulled out as well. The Ecstasy sailed over 2,300 voyages and has carried almost 5.5 million passengers in its 31 years of service. Now, once the Ecstasy leaves, this will leave Carnival with only 23 vessels in its fleet. However, Carnival Celebration is currently under finishing trials in the Baltic right now. Remember, if you like my content or if you like this story, click the like button, which should be somewhere around here. Hopefully you're going to want to subscribe and click that little bell. I don't know if I'm going to have a bell in there. Click that little bell for notifications. Now, what about the celebration? Well, it is just like your sister ship, the Mardi Gras. It's going to have 6 different areas with various entertainment and leisure possibilities on board. And it's going to be the second cruise ship in the world to have a roller coaster. It's also going to have regular Carnival eats such as Bonsai Teppanyaki, Red Frog, Family Feud Live, Havana Bar, and Seuss at Sea. I've been on the Mardi Gras, had a great time. I've had my issues with it, my problems with it, but you know what? Everybody's going to have a problem with every cruise ship they're on, and maybe I'll go over mine one day with all of you. So the celebration, it's scheduled to set sail from Miami in November 2022. Currently today, October 25th, 2022, Cruise Mapper says it's in the Baltic Sea heading out for more sea trials. Now, its first sailing is scheduled for November the 6th. That will be a 14-day one-way transatlantic from Southampton to Miami. I'm sure it's probably booked up, but you never know. I never took a look. But that would be quite an exciting trip. I'm sure everybody on board would be having difficulties. These inaugural sailings never seem to go as planned. Things are a little bit difficult for the passengers on board, but that's a risk you take when you take an inaugural sailing. I've got a video on that. I'm sure you're going to enjoy that. Interestingly enough, the Mardi Gras is not its only other sister ship. Other cruise lines will have the same class of ships in their fleet. So Carnival, they are building another one called the Jubilee. It should be out in 2023, late 2023. Also having the same ship is the Ada Nova, the Ada Cosma, P&O Iona, P&O Arvia, the Costa Smeralda, and the Costa Toscana. Those ships are all going to be basically the same class of ship as the Mardi Gras and the Celebration. I'm looking forward to going on one of those cruise ships again. I have nothing planned, nothing booked for those cruises yet. My next cruise will be on the NCO Breakaway, and that's coming up late January. After that, my cruise after that will be on the NCL Escape, and that's going to be out of New Orleans, and that's in March, and that's going to be a big family one for me. Anyway, my name's Stuart. This is Ship to Shore Cruise News. Have a good day. Good talking to you. Talk to you later. Bye.